How to sign up for Goldco affiliate program. Hello everyone, in today's video we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to sign up for the Goldco affiliate program. If you are interested in earning commissions by promoting precious metal investment, you are in the right place. So let's dive right into it. First thing first, let's briefly understand what the Goldco affiliate program is all about. Goldco is a trusted company specializing in precious metals, IRAs and physical gold and silver investment. Their affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring clients to their services. To get started, you will need to follow a few simple steps. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process. Before becoming a Goldco affiliate, make sure you have a clear understanding of their products and services. Familiarize yourself with the benefits of precious metal investments. It's also essential to have a platform to promote Goldco, whether it's a blog, website, or social media presence. This will be your space to share information and referral links. Now let's move on the actual sign-up process. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you'll land on this page. Then you need to click on affiliate application. You'll be directed to the Goldco affiliate program application page. Fill out the necessary details accurately, including your contact information and how you plan to promote gold. After submitting your application, the Goldco team will review it. If approved, you will receive an email with further instruction and access to your affiliate dashboard. And there you have it. You are now on your way to becoming a Goldco affiliate. Use your unique affiliate link to refer clients to Goldco and start earning commissions on qualified referrals. If you have any question or need any further assistance along the way, feel free to ask in the comment sections below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable financial opportunities. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your Goldco affiliate journey.